the house by the sea. They say home is the place where your heart is. Then I am home now, though I am far away. For so long I've let deep forests guard it, and now it's begging me to stay. And I'm trying my best to be tough, to pretend that I'm strong and can siphon it off, but I'm not who I wanted to be. In my heart I belong in a house by the sea. They say home is a place where you're needed. Then I am home now that I am leaving, to feel my feet being kissed by the seaweed. And I'll be silent and kiss it back. This is not who I want you to see. It's just adding on weight to the darkness in me. And from the little I have understood, I believe that a house by the sea would do good. Ba-da-dum, 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 bum-bum, ba-da-dum, 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 ba-da-dum. They say home is a place you can choose to be, and I've decided to carry home inside me. So it's not really as if I am leaving, no. It's more like something pulling me, 'cause behind everything that I do, I just want to forget, want to carry this through, fill my lungs with the sweet summer air. In my heart, in my mind, I am already there. Yeah, behind everything that I do, I just want to forget and lay down beside you, and then I'll be who I wanted to be. In my heart I belong in a house by the sea. Um,